It's Abuti and Osi.
Dumela Osi.
Dumela Abuti.
Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Let's learn some new words. Can you tell me what the word is for hospital in Sepedi?
Bookelo.
That's right, it's bookelo. And what is the word for store in Sepedi?
Lebenkele.
That's right, it's lebenkele. Now what is the word for school in Sepedi?
Sikolo.
Very good, it's sekolo. Can you tell me what the word is for church in Sepedi?
Kereke.
That's right, it's kereke. And what is the word for house in Sepedi?
Ntlo.
Very good, it's ntlo. So, we have bookelo, lebenkele, sekolo, kereke, and ntlo. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Osi. See you next time.
Shalakabotse.